Alright, I just noticed something I want to talk about. Look at this pirate. He looks nice and strong and sturdy, doesn't he? Alright. And now, the other day when I had that live podcast about religions and respect and stuff like that, I was called sexist, and lots of it here in the West we call the Islam sexist all the time. But now look at this guy again, the pirate, strong and sturdy. And now look at the female pirate, tits out, mate. Is that not sexy? Well, it's sexy, but is that not sexist? Huh? And again over here, this pirate's pole dancing, or she is anyway, mini skirt. I mean, that's sex. It's all about sex. Sex sells. Sex sells. Sex sells. Yeah. But you say it's sexist, and you say it's women discrimination if they have to wear burqas or they cover themselves up and they're not flaunting the tits all the time. See, that's what I don't get. That's what the older I get, the more I realise the propaganda. Yeah, we're trying to, again, it's always about the propaganda, brainwashing us, telling us and teaching us. But then, and then you call me sexist and you call the Islam sexist. I mean, I'm without a religion, but when I see that, it makes me realise, yeah, sex sells, but sexist is used as something against women, but sex sells. And it's something we need to think about. I think we need to think about it. We need to talk about it seriously. It's really something really serious. Seriously something we need to talk about.